Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly once again, another video in the series where I talk about our white label Google Ads campaign services, or white label Google Ads services, drop the word campaign. In this video, I'm just going to talk a little bit about custom Google Ads campaigns. So we offer a bunch of fast launches where we have a system where we have niches that we work in, about 40 or 50 niches, and we build out the campaign in your Google Ads account or your client's Google Ads account. We create the landing page in our Unbounce account. We use what converts. Everything's in our systems. It's all, very process driven and laid out exactly how that package is. Custom campaigns are for those niches that are A, it's not a fast launch. B, you want to use the client's website. C, it's e-commerce. D, it's some weird niche that no one's ever worked in, that sort of thing. So for that, because we don't want to turn away the opportunity to work with you, and we want you to work with us on everything that you do Google Ads related, we offer custom campaign builds. So a custom campaign build is all those things we just talked about, and we can build out a landing page. We can do call tracking for it. It's a monthly recurring service. But we don't have to. If you want to use your client's website, you want to use their call tracking. We're not necessarily going to set up their call tracking for you. We're not necessarily going to update your landing pages, but we'll drive traffic to them if you want. We'll help to make sure Google Tag Manager is set up correctly and things like that. So all you got to do is come to this page. It's our last service on our list, custom Google Ads campaign builds, and fill out this form. Give us a little bit of information. It's $9.99 the first month. Typically, it's $7.49 the second month. And then as soon as you place the order, it's going to go into our project management tool. You're going to get an intake form to fill out, and then we're going to move forward. Now, there's exceptions to this rule. Let's say you have a client spending $25,000. Then we're going to move to a percentage of ad spend. So this wouldn't apply. You have complex needs. You want to run 25 different campaigns in different locations across the country. We're going to come up with a statement of work, and then we're going to price it. But this is for just your typical, under $10,000 spend, one or two campaigns using your assets, your client's assets, or it's in some weird niche we don't work in. So hope that's helpful. If you have questions or comments, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, check out the Inbound Revenue website. It's got tons of good information on here. You can check out our latest YouTube videos, and so you can even subscribe to the channel, which we'd appreciate it. By the way, subscribe to the channel. Click down there. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.